Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Stripe for payment processing, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Stripe for payment processing, start by visiting the Stripe website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Enter your email address and create a secure password. After confirming your email, log into your new Stripe account. Once logged in, navigate to the Developers section on the left sidebar. In the Developers section, select the API Keys option. You will see your publishable key and secret key listed. These keys will be used to integrate Stripe with your website or application. Next, choose the platform where you want to implement the payment processing. If you are using a website, select the appropriate integration method from the options provided. You can opt for either the Stripe.js integration or the checkout integration based on your. If you're using Stripe.js, follow the detailed documentation to add the JavaScript library to your site. For the checkout integration, you will create a checkout session using your server-side code. Ensure your server is set up to handle API requests securely. Use the appropriate API endpoint to create a new checkout session. Pass the necessary parameters including the amount, currency, and product information. After creating the session, redirect users to the checkout URL provided by Stripe. Upon successful payment, set up a webhook to listen for events from Stripe. This will allow you to handle payment confirmations and other updates automatically. Return to your Stripe dashboard to view payment activity and analytics. Create test customers and simulate different payment scenarios to confirm everything works smoothly. Once you're satisfied with the testing, switch your account to live mode. Now you are ready to start processing real payments with Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.